my name is Mostafa, and I'm in Dr. V's Period 9 class. As I was doing the online quizzes, I thought it would be a great help if I showed you step by step how to go upon these questions. Some of these questions took a long time to figure out, but once you knew that you had to use the equations, it was pretty much plug and chug. So one of my first questions that I got was this. A current, 22.1 amps, is directed along the positive x-axis and perpendicular to a magnetic field. If we stop right here, there's a lot of gibberish that you really don't need. All of this is really not important. It's just to confuse you. All you need to know is the current is 22.1 amps. That will help us a lot when we come to the equations. Next, the problem is the conductor experiences a magnetic force of 0.63 newtons per 1.2 meters in the negative y directions. Again, a lot of gibberish that really does confuse you when you read it. All you need to know is it's 0.63 newtons of force per 1.2 meters. Now, you look at your equations. You do have three equations. F equals QVB, F equals BIL, and F equals IL B sine angle. Here, we can't use the third one because we're not giving an angle. We can't use the first one because we're not giving a charge. That leaves us with the second one. Just with the second one, you are given the force, 0.63 newtons, you are given the amps, 22.1, and you're given the length, 1.2 meters. That means your missing variable is B, which is magnetic field. In the question, it did say round to 3 decimals, which would be pretty vital when you come to your answer. So, if we start working on the problem, we would do 0.63 newtons equals B, which is, we'll just put X for the sake, A, which is 22.1, and length, which is 1.2. If you do the math, you got 0.63 newtons equals 26.52 x. If you divide by 26.52, so you get the variable by itself, you would get x equals, really quick, just to make sure, 0.63. You would get 0.0237. That is 0.0237. On the online quiz, if you would put 0.023, would mark it wrong because it did say to 3 decimals, and you would round up because 7 is greater than 5. So the true answer would be x equals 0.024 teslas, because it did ask for the magnetic field. However, on the online quiz, it's being sort of a little bit weird. When you do put teslas, it says you do not give the unit. Just try it a couple times, try writing out teslas, try putting uppercase T, lowercase t, and if it doesn't work, I'm pretty sure Dr. V will understand.